Hola, Mrs. Khabo.
Morning, how are you?
I am fine.
Nice to see you. I hope you're all keeping very warm and you're keeping safe at home as well. Please tell Beth, can you settle down? I want to see you. And then assist you there with your device and we settle down so that we can start our lesson. All right, our lesson for today, we're going to continue with mathematics. Is that okay? Yes. Do you remember what we were doing last time in maths, Imani? You still remember?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, what were we talking about?
Tens
We're
and
talking
units.
about
And
tens and
units.
Yes,
Tens
you are
tens
very
and units.
correct, all of you. We're talking about tens and units, and I saw your work. That was wonderful. You deserve stars, all of you. The work was so neat and it was so clear. Thank you for that. Clinton, Kyle, Imani, Talbot, Jeremy, and Behave. Your work was just wonderful. So today we're going to continue, and today we are doing numbers. We are doing numbers. And this is just a revision from our grade 1. We have done it before, all right? So we're going to talk about the words before, after, and between. Have you heard of those words before? Have you?
No.
Who is saying no? Jeremy, you are saying no. You haven't heard of the word before, after, and between?
I know.
You know, there is a cheat. Yes, I was checking your
I
book right
know.
now and I saw those words. So the first word that we're going to look at this morning, it is before. I want you to write down that word. We're going to talk and write at the same time today. All right. So the first word that you're going to write down is before. There is the word before. That's how you spell before. Please quickly take it down while Unati is trying to join us. Unati, please raise your hand when we are done writing that word which says before. All right. Thank you, Kyle. We are done. Miss Imani,
Done.
we are done. Thank you.
Done.
Mr. Jeremy, Clinton, thank you. Behave. We are all done. All right. Right. Thank you, Miss Talbeth. All right. So that word says before, and I've got the first sum there. You see my first sum there that says number 1, and I've got a box before the number. You see, I've got an empty box. There's a number that should come before this one, which I have written there.
Should I write it?
10. So as you are counting, which number would you count before you get to number 10? That's the number which I want you to write. You can even count in your box. So you write the number that comes before 10. Kyle, have you done that? You're covering your mouth there, Kyle. Have you done that? Right, so let's write number 1. Write the number that comes before 10 as you count. Which number comes before 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Teacher, I'm
10.
done.
Which number is it? Please raise your
I'm done, teacher.
Thank you. Right, thank you, Talbert. Yes, that is correct. Imani, thank you. Kyle, wonderful. Clinton, wonderful. Thank you. Behave. Right. So let's go on to number 2. Still, while you looking at numbers that come before, there is an empty box there. There's nothing in my empty box, and I've got my number there, 23. And you can count again, as I said, you can count in your heart there which number is going to come before 23. Let's write that number down. So you can see clearly, can you? Yes. Right, so write the number that comes before 23. Right, show me, Clinton. I want to see what you have written.
Teacher, I'm done.
Yes, that is okay. Thank you, Talbeth. Very correct. Imani, may I see? Wonderful. Kyle, thank you. That is very correct. All right, thank you. Clinton, I've seen that one. Thank you. That is correct. So the number that comes before 23 as we count, it is the number 22. 2. All right, let's write the last sum now. We're still looking at the word before. Which number? There's my empty box and I'm counting my numbers. Which number am I going to count before I get to 41? That's the number that I want you to write there in that empty box.
Teacher, I'm done.
Let's
I'm done.
Imani. Closer to your device, Imani. Right, thank you. That is very correct. Well done, Talbeth. Wonderful, you're a star. Kyle, wonderful. Clinton, very good. Behave, very good. Jeremy, please may I see your work?
Yeah.
You are far from your device, Jeremy.
Okay.
All right.
Can you
Thank you. So that was the word that we have looked at before. All right. So we are writing the number that comes before this one, which you were given. All right. So now we're going to look at another word again. First of all, we are going to write this word. Here it is, and it starts with an A. And what does it say? What does that word say?
After.
Yes, that word says
After.
after. So now we want to write the numbers that are going to come after the ones that we've already been given. All right? So write that word. Imani, are you done? Have you written after?
Yes. Done.
Right, thank you.
Yes. Done.
Right, raise your hand if you have done that, if you have written that word after. Right, thank you, Talbeth, Clinton, wonderful. Wonderful, behave, very good, Kyle. Right, so here is our number one again. So we write this sum now. And you say number one again, because now we're using another heading which says after. So I've given you the number there. It is number 16. There is my empty box now. You can see which side my empty box is now. So write the number that comes after 16 as you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, which is the next number. That's the one that I want. Right, thank you, Kyle. That is very correct, wonderful. Let me see, Clinton.
Teacher, I made a mistake.
Wonderful, very good.
my
Behave.
rubber?
What's the mistake, Imani?
I wanted to write it on the same line of the other of
Please
before.
just keep a line,
Then I-
Imani. Just keep a line, Imani, and rewrite the sum again. Okay?
Okay.
Skip a line, don't cancel anything. Just write number 1. There's your number 16. Write the number that comes after 16. All right? Inati.
Done, teacher.
Right, we are done. Thank you. Talbeth, are you also done? Have you written? Jeremy, please may I see your work if you are done? Clinton, may I see it as well?
Okay.
Right, thank you. That is very correct. Wonderful. Thank you. Very good. Right, let's go on to number 2, all of us. Here is our number, and it says 27. Let's write the number that comes after 27 as we count. Right, very good, Kyle. I have seen your work, Kyle. Let's write number 2, Kyle. Thank you. There is number 27, Kyle. Yes, let's write number 2, Kyle.
Number 2.
All right, that is okay. Yes, very good, Kyle. Wonderful, Clinton. Very good, Talbeth. Imani, let me see.
I'm not done number 2.
You're not yet done, Jeremy. Let's
I'm
speak
not
a bit
done
faster, my boy. There's number 2. 27. Write the number that comes after 22.
This Khabo, I'm done.
Right, thank you. Let's just give others a few more seconds to finish up. Jeremy, are you now done?
Yes.
You're now done. All right. Thank you. That is correct, Kyle. Right, let's go on to number 3. There's last sum there. We've got the number 45. Which number comes after 45? Write that number in that empty box there. We've got 45. Let's write that number. Right, let me see, Talbeth. Have you done that, Talbeth? Right, correct. Imani, correct. Unati, thank you for joining us. Kyle, let me see your work, Kyle. Right, thank you. Clinton, may I see? Right, thank you. That is very correct. All right, thank you. Unati, can you hear me? Unmute yourself, please, Unati. Unati, are you hearing me? Right, let's just hold on there. Onati, I hope you can hear me. We've lost you once more. Right, then the next word that we're going to write, Jeremy, you are done. Thank you, Jeremy. The last word that we're going to look at this morning, it says between. You see that word?
Yeah.
Please, can you take that word down? That's our next heading. You skip a line and you write your next heading that says between. Something comes between. What does it mean? What kind of a number are we looking at when we say it is between?
It is in between.
Yes, right between. Raise your hand if you are done. Thank you, Kyle. You seem to be done. Right, Imani, you're also done. Talbeth, you're also done. Jeremy, are you done? No, you're writing when I call you, Jeremy. Unati,
I'm done.
I'm
I
done.
can't see you, Unati. Please, can you join us, Unati?
I'm done.
Yes, that is okay, Clinton. You left a T. Do you see that T there, Clinton? Between, there must be a T there. Check your work there, Clinton.
Okay.
It's the letter.
I'm wrapping
And
out.
add that one. Right, that is now okay, Kyle. Thank you.
I'm done.
Right, wonderful, behave. Right, so we're going to write number 1. And our word, our heading this time, it says between. So here is my empty box. You see my empty box? And I've got 2 numbers. I've got one this side and another one this side. So I want the number that is in between here. Which number should I put on account? 13, box 15. Please, can you write the number? Right, thank you, Kyle.
I can't see.
There's the
I
number.
can't see.
You write number 1 once more. Right, thank you. Imani, can I see? All right, Imani. Right. Anyone else who is done? Yes.
Me.
That is correct, Clinton. Behave, may I please see? Show me your work, behave. Closer to your device, please behave. A bit closer to your device. Right, thank you. Talbeth, are you done?
Yes.
May I see, please, Talbeth? Show me. Right, wonderful, Talbeth. Jeremy, are you done?
Yes.
Are
Yes.
you done? Can I please see Jeremy?
Yes.
Right, thank you. May I see your work, Jeremy? Right. So let's go on to number 2. There's our number 2. You can see it now. I've got 2 numbers again, and I've got an empty box in between the 2 numbers. Which number should I write? Which number should I write there?
Done.
Right, thank you, Kyle. You have written the answer that's correct. Thank you. Imani, let me see. Right, thank you. Imani, Mr.
I'm done.
Thank you, Clinton. Wonderful. Behave. Right, that is correct. Jeremy, may I please see?
Yes.
You are too far,
I'm
Jeremy.
done.
Right, let me see. Show me. Right, much better. Thank you. Right, let's go on to number 3. I hope you can see number 3. There it is. It is the last one. Please, can you write the number that is missing, the one that should be between these 2 numbers here? I've got 34, I've got 36. Which number should I write in that box? That is our number 3.
I'm done, teacher.
Right, let me see, Iman, if you are done. Right, thank you. Right, thank you, Clinton, that is correct, thank you. Right, Kyle, thank you, that is also correct. Behave, let's see, Mr. Machinka Uta, yes, that is correct. Jeremy,
Yes, I'm done.
may I see your work, please, Jeremy, if you are done? All right, that is okay, thank you. Right, so these are the 2 words that we're looking at this morning, all right? I have seen your work, wonderful handwriting there all round. So the first word that we looked at was before. Do you still remember before?
Yes.
Yes, so we said we write the number in this empty box.
Before.
Can I have the answer for number 1? Clinton, which number should I put there?
Yes,
All right,
9.
9.
9.
Kyle, which number should I put there?
24.
Which number?
Not 32.
Right, that is correct.
22.
Imani, which number?
40.
Right, that is correct. The next one I'm going to behave. After, before we look at this word, we said it is after. Which number should I write there?
15.
Which number? Behave, which number? 17. That's the next number there, isn't it? Clinton, after 27?
28. 28.
Yes, that is correct. Imani, after 45?
46.
46.
46.
Right,
46.
that is correct. And the ones that we're writing just now, which was between, which number should I write here? Clinton?
Ma'am, I cannot even talk.
14.
14. Jeremy? Which number here? I've got 25.
26.
It is 26.
Yes, that is correct, Jeremy. It is number 26. Then the last one, Unati. Can you hear me, Unati? Kyle, which number should I write here?
45.
35. All right. Right. So these are the 2 words that we've learned today for our maths. All right. Please, can you make sure that you hand in all the words?
2 words that you were.
There were 3 words between, after,
3.
and before. So today for your maths, these are the words, for your maths homework, these are the words that you're going to use. You're going to get sums and you're going to use before, you're going to use after, and you're going to use between. All right. Yes?
Today I writing 2 homeworks.
Yes, you're going to get 2 homeworks, maybe even 3 homeworks, because you've got Saturday, you've got Sunday. We're going to meet again on Monday at the same time for our next lesson. So over the weekend, let's work on all our homeworks. All right? Let's pass everything. All right? So our lesson for today, it ends here. I'll see you on Monday. Can you say bye-bye to your friends?
Bye.
Bye. See you on
Khabo, bye
Monday.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye everyone. Bye.